It's the demo of Don't Play This. Alright, lock in, guys. It's spooky time. It's spooky time, guys. Spooky. Oh. Oh, shit. Heck yeah. Menu. Graphics, high. Head bobbing. Head bobbing. Is this like Minecraft or some shit? Okay. I guess documents. What's in the background too? Oh shit, I'm in the video. Oh my god. I'm in the fucking video. Okay, I definitely should have cut off head bobbing, I think. Okay, I see we're living large up here. We got a twin size bed, a lamp, a book. It's getting cold. I need to find a hat. Alright, hat it is. Squeeze through here. Hat, no. Hat, no hat. First I need to find a hat. Okay, hat. Where, if I was a hat... What does that say? If I was a hat, where would I be? Oh. Why is it so cold? Need to figure out where that draft is coming from. It's probably the wide open door. Door is open. I closed it, didn't I? Maybe someone came in to warm up. Fuck. Maybe. I'm just gonna go back to sleep. I'm just gonna go back to sleep. I'm stuck on the rail. Okay. Oh, there's damn, I walk slow. 1, 2, 3. Alright, not going to sleep. This is a nice ass attic, not gonna lie. Or upstairs, whatever the hell. I would honestly, I would like this as a room. What the hell? It just like moved on its own. Is that like a... What I don't know what that is. Okay, gotta go this way, I guess, guys. Yeah, that wasn't ominous at all. Ah, I got a bucket. I got some matches and some cigarettes. So this is the smoke room, too. Sweet. It's freezing. Need to light the fireplace. Alright, let me get a match. Let me get a match. Or not. I can light it with my own 2 bare hands. You the fireplace? Where's the... It's so damn dark. It's a radio. Oh. Firewood. There was firewood somewhere. Maybe it's this glowing in the light. Oh, those dogs. Matches. I hope the box isn't empty. Dude, why didn't we get the matches while we were in the bathroom? Just looking around. Alright. Matchbox. Sweet. How many's in there? I'm not even going to try to count. That's way too many. I can't even count that high. Uh-huh. That light wasn't on before. Can I not lock it? Why is it fogged up here? It's getting warmer. I can go to bed. Okay. Be cool if I could see my bed, huh? It'd be real cool if I could see the bed, huh? Something's up with the radio. How is the radio on, by the way? Okay, I'm just gonna go up here. I think there was a lamp. Yeah. Okay, can I cut the lamp on? What do I do? What do I do? Is it not that radio? Is it something back here? Oh, shit, it is. What's wrong with my light? There's somebody flicking at you, dummy. Duh. Somebody... Boo. Don't fucking say boo. Quit that shit right now. This shit ain't funny, bro. This shit ain't funny. shit ain't funny, dog. Where do I go? Do I just go to bed? I'm risking it. I'm just going to bed. Okay, I can't go to bed. Can I cut on the lamp? Nope. Huh, okay. Did I miss something down there in the bathroom? What's going on here? I need to call the police. Oh, now we call the police. Oh, sweet. Hopefully there's not a man over there. Or a man back here. Hello, police? Hello? Hello? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck you, dude. What should I do? What I should do is I should fight him. I can't grab the knife? Are you shitting me? I can't grab the knife? Nothing? What happened to the lights, dude? Is it... It's open? What the hell? Oh, fuck. Oh, now I'm... Oh my god! Oh my god! There was a crowbar somewhere. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, dude. Oh my god. There was a crowbar somewhere? Yeah, where? Yeah, where? Crowbar. I need a weapon. It's under my bed. Yeah, the creature probably is too. Okay, let me lock in. Where's my gun? I don't know, dude. Where's your gun? A knife. There's a knife in the kitchen. Yeah. I was trying to grab it for 10 minutes. It's gonna jump scare me again, ain't it? I need to find him and kill him. Is he in the damn bathroom? Sounds like he's outside. Where is he? Where is he? Do I go out this door? The ambience is horrific. Oh no, is he upstairs? Is this how I stab? Stab! 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 Oh wait, I can't get upstairs, yeah. So then... It's a rat. Oh no. Oh no. Did I get him? Did I get him? I think I got him. I think I got him. Ooh. See, they know how to make good horror games. Ooh. That was good. The ambience, the knocking all around me. The fucking... There wasn't even like a jump scare until like over halfway through. And that was just the demo. Good shit, dude. That was a good ass game.